Well, hello and welcome back to another vlog here today. Today we're back here at the opening of the 2024 season at Six Flags Over Georgia's Hurricane Harbor. Also, this marks it as the 10-year anniversary of Hurricane Harbor. So pretty cool. We're gonna have some fun here, have a blast, get on some slidage, and yeah, eat some food later on too. But with that being said, let's go have ourselves an adventure. What is going on? Dang, Fred, that was legit. That man's gone! That man's gone! I'm still backwards! Alright! Oh boy. That was like crazy fast. Oh, welcome to the vlog, y'all. Let's go again. Hey Fred, how was that one? That's all I could say. Boy, that was wild, that one. Alright, we're going back up again. Get in the raft acquired yet again. Go on up to the top. A little overcast, but it's supposed to clear up a little bit, but here we go. That was nuts to start off the day, as always. Up these steps to go up, and then we're there. So that's why I was breathing a little heavily when we were on the raft at the beginning, because I was already winded, but we're good though, we're good. Going back up, like I said. Gotta take a break, man. It's a lot of steps. Stairway to heaven at this park, man. Jesus at the top. Alright, alright, you need all the work. Alright, but this paradise is beautiful though. Man, it's good to be back though. Alright. Yes, sir. Oh, yes, sir. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. Yeah. We going down there in a second. Oh, it's gonna turn. Oh man. Oh, hold on tight, Frederick. It's you now, sir. Ah! Hey buddy, how are you? Oh, I'm out. Oh boy. Oh my god! Why are you sliding down like a child at the end? Oh my god! The weight distribution without Jonathan is crazy. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh. Tornadoes okay. Yeah. And white waters. Yeah. Here, whole another thing. It's different. It's different, but it's amazing. It's beautiful that we're here. Everybody's so friendly, so kind, the lifeguards, but wow. All right, we're gonna take a break, cut through, and then go on Bonsai pipeline since it is open here today, so that'll be epic. All right, let's do it. So good so far. Beautiful Hurricane Harbor wave pool, which we're gonna get into in a second. Not yet though. Of course, we gotta get Bonsai pipelines because it is open. Beautiful scenery of Scream Machine, but going around. Are you ready? Let's do it. Let's get it. Tidal Wave Cafe right there. We're not gonna try it here today again because we're gonna hit Bonsai Pipeline, Skull Island, wave pool, and then probably get the Monster Burger again at JB's because it's been a minute since I had it. Been here quite often and been getting that melt at Miner's Cookhouse, which is phenomenal. I'm gonna try for you guys on the vlog another time. But Monster Burger here today for me. A little bit of a line right here for Bonsai Pipeline, headed to the top. And it'll never stop. Going around multiple slides up here, but yeah, we're waiting and then we're gonna get on. See you guys later. All right, so we just went and I'm going back up again to do it again. That time it just splashed me in the face. So we just went going back up again. That was crazy. Yeah, but yeah, it's good to get back on this. Yeah, we might do a different one. I think we did that one, so we're gonna go up again and try another one and see how it goes. Let's go. Woo! Oh! 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 Crap! We're still going. Oh! So aggressive. Absolutely crazy. That splashdown. That one was getting it. That one was moving, but we got one more, that one. So we just did these two, and then now we got to do that one. Absolutely crazy. You guys saw it firsthand, though. My goodness. There we go. Woo! Woo, last one here. Woo. Oh, dang. I see why everybody's like, oh, yeah. Oh, what is happening? I see why everybody's like, ah. Round and round we go. Get my butt off of this. I see why. Oh, okay, let's go around again. We're going so slow. Oh, dang. No! Double slides! Alright. Alright, now we're going. Gonna run right into him. That's crazy. That was absolutely nuts. Fred and I got stuck. We're like, let's go, let's go. We kept going around one more time past our normal time we need to go around, and then zooming right by as if we were in the fast lane but driving really slow. The other guests passed right by us, which was strange, but it was funny and it was fun. Nonetheless, that was cool. Cool experience to get past like that. But yeah, let's go around Skull Island, put our stuff back on, and keep it going. It is that time to get super soaked here. Skull Island, or Paradise Island, whatever you want to call it, going on up, super soaked. But yeah, hitting all these slides and seeing how it goes. Fred, are you starting under here? Oh boy. Oh man. I guess I'll do it this time, but let's see. I didn't do it and I haven't done it yet. And I'm still not gonna do it right now. Waiting for Sir Frederick, posted up to call. It's gonna be a minute, waiting for the bucket to fill up and then drop on down. But yeah, so you can't wear your any hats on Bonsai pipelines. I'm gonna speak a little louder. On Bonsai pipelines or your water shoes, but it's all good though. I guess that's a ride manufacturer thing, like at Whitewater and other parts. But yeah, not too bad. But yeah, everybody's super friendly. The lifeguards are phenomenal. But yeah, nonetheless, we're waiting for this and we're gonna get on up and ride some more slidage. Let's go. Oh, it's about a tip. It's about a tip. It's about a tip. Screw it. Oh! It just had to happen, my goodness. Alright, we're lathered up. Let's get on this slide. Let's do it. This thing is a true obstacle course. Full of water. So much water. It's a good thing though, it's hot. Oh, geez, did they add more water? More agua? It's shooting out the volcano. All right, Frederick, are you ready? Let's keep going. All right, hiking on up. I trained for 365, wait, it's a leap year this year, 366 days for this. And I'm still winded, but hitting all these slides. This one doesn't have a weight, so we might wanna, yeah, there's no weight. Oh, we're kind of already here. We'll wait a little bit here, y'all. And then hit all these, but we're gonna get everything nonetheless. Again, soaked, so we should slide down pretty well. So let's see. All right, we're here waiting, and it's quite backed up. At the top of the mountain, right there, volcano. Off we go. I'm going. Ow! Ow! Turning, there we go. Oh, oh boy. Splash. Oh. Waiting for Fred here. Should be coming down in a second. There he is. Alright, gonna go up through here and go on this teal one real quick because it's right there and no way. So let's get it. Little jungle gym path. Oh. Oh, we're already here. Oh, me? Alright. Are you sure, Frederick? Go ahead. Alright, here we go. Oh, oh, I was not ready. I always slide on this one. Oh, we're moving, Beautiful teal. Yeah, we did the purple, we did the teal. That's good. Yeah, orange, and then, yeah, green. Yeah, oh, I forgot about orange. Okay, yeah, let's get on up. Look at all the water falling. Oh, oh crap. Oh my goodness. All right, let's get on this orange. We had to go from there, as you saw, around so much. Oh, okay, so can't go up this way. Okay. All right. We need to get purple, no, green. Okay, so that side is closed. Okay, let's get up on the green and make it happen. Onto the green. All right, y'all. Okay. We're still going on up. Not too bad. Oh man, it's like more and more water each year. It's crazy. So for some strange reason, when I'm running around in the water having fun going up the stairs, I guess my mind's not on it. So yeah, still a lot of steps over and over again, but doing good. It's not that bad when you're having fun. Just got soaked on that again. Even here, you get it. But yeah, did that last in the purple, waiting for the green. My time. Oh boy, it's dark in here. It's dark. Oh, I'm moving though. I'm moving. Oh! Make sure you guys subscribe. Yeah, if you're enjoying. Okay, we're moving. Going a little slow now. Oh. Oh, go. Alright. Alright. Oh! Getting soaked. Volcano Island Village, this is called. Fred's about to come down. You're good, Fred. You're good. That was a successful what we did. Green, purple, and teal. There's 4 total, and then we got splashed under the big bucket of water. But yeah, going back around to Tsunami Surge, because you got to do that again and again. So let's see, and then wave pool as well. I have to say, Bonsai Pipelines was superb this go around. Last year on opening day, if I'm not mistaken, it wasn't open. But guys, make sure you guys watch that vlog. It'll be listed in the iCard throughout the timeline of this video and in the description down below. But so good. All right, back around here again. Beautiful day, sun's coming out. And then, yeah, so again, not eating here this visit. Another visit we'll eat here, but they fixed the screens though, so that's good. We're going around Tsunami Surge. It's like the most packed I've seen this wave pool in a couple of years, so yeah, that's pretty cool. But yeah, gonna stop, get me something to drink at my bag, and then yeah, Tsunami Surge. Let's do it again. We gotta head back up Tsunami Surge. See you guys when I get off. Just got off of Tsunami Surge for the 3rd time here. Didn't take y'all along with me, but just got off of it. When we went up there on the ramp part, we spun. It was crazy. It was absolutely quick, fast, very swift, and yeah, it was amazing. But yeah, wave pool time, wave pool action. Let's head to the front, up and onward. We're moving on up. We're moving on up. Making it happen, these waves knocking us back. Better wave pool, by the way, than oh jeez, than whitewater. Okay, we're good. Okay. All right, let's go this way. All right. It's okay, buddy. Massive waves. Slap me in the face like Chris Rock or Will Smith. Okay, all right, Fred. Crazy. When is it gonna stop? Oh man, make sure you guys like the video. Okay, I'm gonna enjoy these waves with y'all. It's still going. Alright y'all, like 15 minutes later, it's still going. I'm still in here. What's crazy though, is look at where the rope is. It's all the way in the front. It's all the way up there. So you can stand up there now. Usually it cuts off like right here, but it's all the way up there. That's nuts. We're at 5 feet and it's still going. Oh boy. Okay. All right. So he hit the button over there at the lifeguard at the chair and stopped the waves. For some reason, everybody's okay. Just promise you, everybody's okay. It was just somebody being a little reckless. But yeah, they had to stop the waves. So yeah, that's unfortunate. Somebody possibly, you know, ruining it for everybody else. But we're all good here. It's all good. Good vibes only. Sir Frederick and I still at the 5 feet. Look how high this is. Look how big these waves are. I'm jumping like 10 feet. Look at this. We did it. Heading on out of the wave pool. After multiple battles in the wave pool, we conquered it. We did it. I feel defeated. Oh, moving. Alright, we're good. We're good. Just need a breather. Those waves are no joke. Oh, they're coming back. They're coming back. Oh man. Intense wave pool. Okay. I'll stay. Okay. Okay. Alright, you win. You win. You win, wave pool. Oh boy. These waves though up there. Shout out to all the lifeguards, but not shout out to that long line that's there for Tsunami Surge. Yeesh. And with that being said, that'll do it for us today as we're leaving Hurricane Harbor. We had a blast and got on all the slides that we needed to. Paradise, Skull Island, whatever you want to call it, was really cool. We're headed on out. But nonetheless, had a good time. What was your favorite slide? All of them. All of them, all of them. For me, of course, Tsunami Surge was the go. But yeah, make sure you guys subscribe if you guys are new. Leave the video a big thumbs up. Again, happy 10-year anniversary to Hurricane Harbor here at Six Flags Over Georgia. That being said, thank you all so much. To my next video and or adventure.
Take well.
Take care. Be well. Hey.
Have a thrilling day.
And have a thrilling day.